Lloris was left very exposed there. And it looks like he's taking his frustrations out on Heung-min Son. And the discussions are continuing into the tunnel.
C'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon.
It's
the same for you?
It's the same for Ari. It's the same for Lucas. Make the run. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. We need to go to the goal. Respect you.
C'est bon, c'est bon. C'est bon.
Make the run. Make the run. Make the run for the team.
Okay. Very, very quick. What happened in here? I don't know the whole of the story. I know that he wants you to come back. I want you that he wants you to come back. You don't know. But if you are a kid, if you are a spoiled guy, it's very bad. If you take it in the right way, you become stronger. Probably this would be something that wouldn't happen 1 month ago, 2 months ago, 1 year ago, 2 years ago. It happened because now you demand more from each other. You feel more the responsibility where you have to give more.
Big win for Spurs. It was all about the 3 points today, and Spurs get it.
When you are in the action, you know, sometimes it's difficult to manage your emotions, so that's something that makes me a bit out of control. But the best way is to check the hand and to move on. Most of the time, the craziest guy on the pitch, they are teddy bears on the life.
In moments like this, we have just to win.
Boys, 3 points. We are alive. We are alive.